Thank you, Jasmine. Our top story this morning, Judge Sam Medrano releasing the scheduling order for the state of Texas against the Walmart shooter Patrick Crusius. It's expected to be the largest capital murder trial in the history of the nation.
The order does not have an official trial date listed, but based off the timeline for jury selection, the community should not expect to see proceedings to begin until 2026. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Tirza Ortiz reports.
It's important to note that while 2026 seems far away, especially for victims and their families, trying a murder case, especially one with the death penalty on the table, is a long process. Now, I spoke with both candidates for district attorney a little over a month ago, and they shared with me the reason for this lengthy process.
Capital cases take a long time. Murder cases take longer than other cases, and cases where the state is seeking the death penalty take even longer.
5 years later, and the scheduling order for the state of Texas to begin its case against the Walmart shooter Patrick Crusius has been released, indicating the gunman could face trial on capital murder charges in 2026. The state's wait to put Crusius on the stand for killing 23 people and injuring dozens more years in the making.
So because he's sitting in federal custody for 3.5 years, the state case was paused. We can't have a motion to suppress, we can't have a motion on the experts, we can't start jury selection. We cannot do anything while he's in federal custody because the judge in the state case has no power to compel the county jail to turn him over into state custody and bring him into state court.
Judge Sam Medrano's timeline spanning months due to the lengthy process behind jury selection.
We're probably going to have to send out questionnaires to over 2,000 potential jurors to finally weed down to see who is qualified to sit on the case.
Jury selection is scheduled to start in November 2025, leading into the tedious task of separately questioning potential jurors, known as voir dire, in January of 2026.
Each of those jurors must be interviewed individually because of the nature of the case. So we're talking about capital murder cases. Each side, each attorney will have an opportunity to ask questions. The judge will have an opportunity to ask questions of that individual juror. So you can imagine by the time you get through, we'll say 200 folks, we could be talking about, it makes sense, it would be several weeks, if not months, to get that done.
The state versus Crusius is expected to be the largest capital murder trial in the history of the U.S. Now, the scheduling can change as those hearings move along, but we will keep you updated on air and online as those proceedings happen. In downtown El Paso, Tirza Ortiz, KTSM 9 News.
Thanks to Tirza for that report. As we mentioned, this order did not include a trial date. That's all going to depend on the individual questioning.
And a reminder that Patrick Crusius is being charged in state court with 23 counts of capital murder, which carries a possible death penalty, something his defense attorneys are trying to get thrown out, and 22 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Now, for much more on this, you can visit our website. That, of course, is KTSM.com.